Alright, so if your Windows 11 taskbar looks like this, showing something like USD to INR or random news updates or the weather showing down here, and every time you click it, it opens that big news panel. Yeah, that's the new style of the weather and news widget. Let's remove it. Just right click anywhere on your taskbar and select taskbar settings. Now under taskbar items, you'll see a few options like search, task view and widgets. The one we need is widgets. That's what's showing this weather and news section. Go ahead and turn that off and instantly the weather icon disappears. No more news feed, no more clutter, clean taskbar again. And yep, even if you restart your PC, it stays hidden. That's it, quick and easy. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like, subscribe for more simple Windows tips, and I'll catch you in the next one.